Hey, what's up guys? This is Shitej and you're watching Technetium Dev. So in today's video, we are gonna unbox the HP Zbook Studio G5 360. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the box and there is nothing much written on it, only the price, which is 3,08,262 rupees and 50 paise. And as you can see, the contents in the box. So let's open it. It's too big, so I'll meet you after opening it. Yeah, so this is all the contents in the box. Let me show you one by one. This is the pen holder which attaches with the pen and the laptop. Let's keep this aside. The charger of the laptop. This is USB Type C to Ethernet cable. This is USB to USB Type C for charging the pen. As you can see, this is the pen. This is the power cord of the charger. Some books, some more books, and some more books. Actually, these are guides. And this is the pen, the HP pen. And this is a main laptop. So first let's go with the laptop. So let's open it. Don't need that. Maybe don't need that. So this is the laptop. It's pretty heavy, heavier than a normal laptop. I think the weight is 2.3 kgs, and this has a full metallic body. As you can see, this is a full metal body, and this is the new HP sign. And this is a touchscreen and foldable laptop, so the hinges are a bit thicker than the normal ones. And here we have the back panel of the laptop. This is the air intake and speakers over here and over here. And on the right side we have the charging port, two Thunderbolt ports. This is Thunderbolt 3, the HDMI cable, and heatsink. I mean, you can insert a HDMI cable here and run a different screen or your TV. And the heatsink, headphone jack, SD card reader. And on the left side we have the power button, heatsink, and I think this is for locking the laptop. And here are two USB ports, which is USB 3.2, which is the latest version. So let's open it. And the what do you call this, the screen is heavy and it's a bit difficult to open it. And here's our laptop, and this is the keyboard. And as you can see, it has a look of the MacBook. It looks bit like that, but not totally. We have the diamond speakers in a diamond design, and the laptop is also in a diamond cut design. If you have noticed, while we close the laptop, we have a diamond cut design over here. And the speakers are from Bang & Olufsen, and it comes with i7 9th generation, fingerprint reader, a glassy touchpad, which is quite big horizontally, and the brand, I mean the laptop model, the branding below the screen. And this is some stickers which you can remove if you want that. And let's talk about the keyboard. So the keyboard is a bit okay. So the space bar is a bit noisy, and the key travel is good, and even the key return, it gives you a springy feel while you type. So this keyboard is perfect for typers, as this is a business laptop. It should have a keyboard like this. And this is the screen. So it has a camera. I think it is a 720p camera, and the screen is with narrow bezels, and the down and the up bezels are quite big, about an inch, which is normally seen in most of the HP laptops. And this laptop flips over and it forms into a tablet. So if you're watching movies, you can simply place it like this and watch movies. Or if you're drawing, or if you're doing some other stuff, you can fold it totally and you can take notes, or you can draw on this. So this is quite heavy, and it's not expected to like if you take the laptop and keep it on your lap and then you're taking notes, this is not for you. This is if you want to keep it on a table, because the weight is 2.3 kgs, which is a lot as an laptop. It's you can prefer it for traveling, but it's heavy. That's the down point of this laptop. And let's straighten it again. So only the down point is the laptop is heavy, which is 2.3 kgs, and I mention it. And everything is good. The processor is a good one. You can do all your tasks without any lag. So let's keep this laptop aside, because we have many more accessories left. So next, let's go with the pen. So let's open it. Okay, so I don't want to make the video long, so let's do it quick. This is the pen, and this is the thing to change the tip of your pen. You can use it to open it like this and insert it. And the pen has two buttons, and I think a button at the top, and these are the extra tips of the pen. Now let's keep this aside. This is the power cord, which is the normal power cord, so nothing to talk about it. And this is USB type C to the Ethernet cable. As you can see, and this is the USB type C and the HP branding on this. This is the pen holder which goes over here, and I think this goes into the laptop's SD card slot. So I'm not sure about it, but if you know, please comment down below. And this is the charger of the laptop, and this looks like a power bank which comes this charger also comes with the HP Spectre series, and this is a 150 watt charger. It supports fast charging, and the cable is also good. And this is the charging cable of the pen. Here it is. It's simple USB to USB type C, which goes in the pen over here, as you can see. So we can open it from here, and this is the USB type C port. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to get all the notifications. In the next video, we are gonna unbox the docking station of this laptop. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.